Welcome everybody. Well, I'm in my art room tonight and I'm going to do some blooms. I'm practicing using pigments only and pigment cell activator. So I'm going to do a few. So you'll probably see different colors. And also I'm going to try and use some unicorn spit, which is like a boom gel glaze. So I'm using some of that in a bloom also. So there's a few varieties of things I'm doing tonight. So stick around and come and watch me. Hi everybody. I just scraped one that I didn't like, so I'm going to do another bloom. And I'm using some unicorn spit and some glitter and a glaze and maybe some piggies. So see what happens. I'm going to do some red. Some gold. I haven't mixed this with anything. It's just straight out of the bottle. Some blue. What color to use next? This is a pink gray Acrylic. It's probably too much paint, but I'll put some of this glaze on top and then I'll use black. I have no idea what this is going to look like. Whoa. Too much paint. That's okay. I'll let the middle come back. I really don't have to spin this much. There's that pink gold pigment in there. It's really pretty. I can only see it here. I don't see it over a little bit. Okay, I don't think I'm going to spin it anymore. I think it's really nice just the way it is. I'll hold it up. It's cool how the blue's over here and the pink and the red is over here. Anyway, thanks for coming by for this one. Have a good day, everybody. Please subscribe, hit the bell, comment below, let me know what you think. Have a good day. Can I hold it up? Everybody, here's my tile that's got the sparkles in it and the unicorn spit. Look how pretty that is. The middle's still a little bit wet. It's got sparkles. It's really nice. I really like it. And I didn't even add any pouring medium. Just in the Cell Activator. But it's really nice. I really like it. So give it a try. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.